What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is, we talked about it the other day, the Galaxy Note 8 getting Android Pie beta, also known as Samsung One UI, so that you can install it. Well, it looks like the latest news is somebody got it to work on the Galaxy S8 Plus for Snapdragon phones, and there's a walkthrough and it is directly on XDA's website. You can follow the instructions, and if you want, you can get Android Pie, or also known as the Samsung One UI beta, installed on your Galaxy phone. And the last story of the day comes from Ice Universe. It's kind of a cryptic, I guess you want to call it, post on his Twitter, and it says the following: Samsung smartphone 15-watt charging will become history. Now that's kind of confusing. It kind of sounds like it's going to become history, like in terms of like it's going to become something great, or history as in it's going to become something dead, aka gone, something that they don't use anymore. And it definitely sounds like the latter, that they're going to improve the charging on the Galaxy S10 possibly, or phone in the future, so they get even faster charging, maybe 0 to 75% in like 20 or 30 minutes, something like crazy fast like that. And I can see them doing like this. This is the 10th anniversary of the Galaxy line of phones, and why not go out and do something huge like that in order to get people really interested? You already have the, the phone basically with all screen, no bezel. You have maybe up to 3-4 cameras on the back, 2 on the front. So it's time to do something big, and time to charge and change their charging capabilities right now, because we've kind of been, it feels like anyway, the same fast kind of charging for the last who knows how many years now with Galaxy phones. It doesn't feel any faster than it really did before, and OnePlus definitely has the edge with the fastest charging phone over the Galaxy line. So let's hope they do something big with the Galaxy S10. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, new videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, do they need to improve the fast charging, or are you perfectly fine with it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys down the road.